What's up, guys? We are back. How's everybody doing out there on this Money Monday? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. We're back just to do a quick update on Stable Swap, one of our crypto projects that we've been a part of since the beginning of this year, 2024. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you want to check out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, quick update. Stable Swap is going very well. The liquidity pool is growing and growing and growing. If you take a look over here, liquidity pool at the time of this recording, because it keeps going up, it's 5,816,263. Wow. Now this crypto project just got started November. It just launched November of 2023, guys. And they've got over 5 million in liquidity. And we only have 3,286 providers. People like myself. That's it. And look at how this thing has grown. We have been needing something like this in the space, okay? Because we're so accustomed to a lot of hypes that's coming and going, you know, not really sticking around. But this is something different. Stable Swap. And congratulations to all the stable swappers out there, because this is now a private project. You cannot get in without an invite code. And I like it like that. The Telegram group is also private. Okay. So it's a private club now. All right. Now they've got 3 liquidity pools. I am loving this platform. It is running very smoothly. No issues, no drama. They've got the short term 60 days at 0.10% per day, 7 days a week platform, by the way. Okay. They have the medium term 120 days, 0.2% per day. Then they have the long term that's 300 days at 0.35% per day. All right. So your crypto, if you decide, once you decide which pool you want to park your crypto in, it's locked in for the duration of that time. But you're going to be earning every day, 7 days a week, and you can withdraw any day you want. There's no specific day you have to withdraw, as long as you've got 50 in your balance. All right. They only operate in USDT and USDC. Those are the only currencies they operate in. Okay. Stable coins. So, as you can see, my USDT has gone back up to $51 now. It's going very quickly. And lifetime rewards is $330 with $796. The minimum to withdraw is 50. See right here it says minimum 50. And right here, see, I've got 51 I could withdraw right now. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and add this, because I withdrew the last time. But I do withdrawals and I add. I go back and forth. Okay. I just don't keep creating stakes without any withdrawals. And I recommend you do that too, because you want to take some of your rewards, right? So that is going well. So if we look at the liquidity pool, let's see how many I've got. Well, I'm not going to count them, but you can see I've got several here. Okay. And from time to time, they will have promos on the long-term pool. The last one they did, well, I believe it was 0.50% per day. And normally it's it could last 24 to 48 hours or so. And you can come in here with whatever you want, and you can purchase one of the liquidity pools. Okay. You can get you one of these provisions at that higher rate when they do the promos. So anyway, I have several of those here. And I've been able to withdraw as well, guys. That's the other thing. You're earning every day, but you can withdraw anytime. All right. And as I said, it's a private club now, so you can't just go to anybody's link and sign up. They're keeping it that way, and eventually, not sure when, but they're going to lock it down where no one else is going to be, no new members will be able to join. Not sure when that's going to happen, but it's coming as well. All right. So anyway, going very well. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and I'm going to add another provision just because I can. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to go over, since we got the 51 here in the USDT, I'm just going to go to liquidity pool and I'm going to click provide liquidity because I want the highest rate. Okay, and it's right here, so I'm going to select that box and we're going to do the 51 and we're going to accept the terms that they have here. Read this and then you accept the terms. You know this is crypto, so it's risky. Make sure you're using risk capital at all times. All right, and research and do your due diligence. All right, guys, because this is risky business. All right, so you're going to select the terms and then you're going to click confirm. Liquidity, they're confirming it, is USDT, new liquidity, 51 at the 0.35%, daily rewards, click confirm. Boom, your request has been processed. Okay, so there you have it. We have added ourselves a new liquidity pool. See, our balance has gone down to 135 now, and our value has gone up, right? It was 796 or something like that. Now we're at 847. So we're going to get this to 1,000. And you see the reward. So we've been earning our rewards as we go along. All right. So really, really like this platform. We know who the owner is of it. Danny D over there in the gang. He does a Zoom like every Saturday. Kind of casual conversation he has on his channel. And he's present and he's here for the long haul with this platform. So I am here for it all. All right. So once again, Stable Swap is going very well. We love Stable Swap and the stable swappers out there. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Link in the description. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.